This is one of the easiest ways to make money online, thanks to the site here that we've never talked about before that will allow you to make more money online on complete autopilot. And since I will show you multiple bonuses near the end of the video, make sure you keep watching so you don't miss any of them. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Today, I have a really good strategy to make some good money online passively for you. The very first site that you want to go to that will be paying us today, this one is called Zotrim.com. You can immediately see that when you come on their homepage that they are selling products for weight loss. Now with that said, you can read more of this page and see some details on what they're selling. But obviously, since we are not here to lose weight but to rather make money, the details are basically irrelevant. All you need to know is that this website sells products for losing weight. That's the way we'll make money through promoting the same products, so we will want to promote them as affiliates indeed. Also, you'll find out that this site has awesome features regarding their affiliate program that will make them absolutely perfect for making money as affiliates. With that said, to access their affiliate program, either type in this link zotrim.com/affiliate-program, or you can just go down to the bottom of the page and then click on affiliate program right here. And by the way, right here you can see it says fast and reliable worldwide shipping. Now this is very important information because I know many of you from North America or Europe. So this shows that this is worldwide available, and while it isn't 100% guaranteed, chances are it'll work in your country. With that being said, let me go over some of the features of Zotrim's affiliate program, because I did say before that this is the perfect website for affiliates. Now, as far as how much money you'll be making, as you can see here, it's up to $40 per sale. Now they do have different products, so some may pay more or some may pay less. But it's safe to say that you'll earn around $30 most of the time for each sale, which is a lot if you think about it. 100 people making purchases would be $3,000 and can go up to $4,000 as well. So this has a lot of potential for you to get paid. But wait, we're only getting to the best part about this site's affiliate program. If you scroll down here, you'll be able to see the average sale price of a product, which is, as you can see, is $60, and on the right side of that is the conversion rate. Now for those of you who don't know, the conversion rate is the percentage of people that access the sale page of our product and buy it. So 300 people visit a sales page and 50 of them make a purchase, and the conversion rates would be like 50%. Now check out the conversion rate of the site here. It's 22%. Now that may not seem like a lot, but it's actually insanely high. As you can see, the average conversion rate of a product is mere 2%, while the conversion rate of Zotrim's products is literally 10 times higher. This means that you don't need to refer many people here to make loads of money. Just do some quick math. If you refer just 100 people here, on average you would get 20 sales since the conversion rate, as I said, is 20%. That means that you can make up to $800. So if your first 200 people on average, you would make $1,600, and 300 people referred to is over $2,000 already. And I will show you traffic sources where you'll be reaching hundreds of thousands of people, not just dozens of them. So you'll be able to make a lot of money online. With all of that said, to sign up on Zotrim's affiliate program, you want to click right here. This will now take you over to a different website, and it's here where you will actually sign up. All you have to do from here is click on I am an affiliate, and from there, you'll see that to join, you just need to enter your first name and last names, email address, your password, and that's basically it. So they don't ask you for too much info in order to be able to join their program. When you enter in all the data, simply click on Join Now to finish the process and grab that affiliate link. Now with all of that said and done, let me show you where to get traffic. The first traffic source I'd recommend is a site called findaforum.net. As the name suggests here, you can find a bunch of different forums related to just about anything. And since we want to promote a weight loss product, you want to click on categories here and then select dieting and weight loss. You will now be able to see all these different forums, and all of them have literally hundreds of thousands of members, and each and every one of those people are interested in weight loss. And this means that they will be also interested in Zotrim as well. And what you can do is tell them stuff like, "This is the best way to lose weight," or "This helped me lose weight," and so on. You can also read more about Zotrim's products on their homepage and just talk about them on these forums and then leave your affiliate link there. And since these forums have so many members, it's guaranteed that someone will check out the product in question. And when they do, there's a very high chance that they will purchase it thanks to that high conversion rate, and you will earn $40 per single sale. Now, as I said, that is only the first source. The second source that you can use is called Quora.com. For those of you who don't know, this is a site where people can come and ask a question, and then they will get answers from members of this website. The main reason we want to use Quora is very simple, because this website is popular and it ranks well in Google. So when somebody searches on Google for how to lose weight, there's a chance that Quora will be one of the first sites to pop up. Now what you want to do in Quora is search for how to lose weight just like this, and now you'll come across a bunch of these questions which you'll want to answer. You can perhaps go to Google and search some of the best ways to lose weight and write that in the answer. You can also go to Google and search for the best ways to lose weight and write that in the answer. And what you can do is add something in between the lines of, "This product helps me lose weight." And I would highly recommend something like that, and then you would want to leave your affiliate link next to that. And by doing that, you want to answer all of these questions. Also, make sure that every answer to the question is different, so don't spam the same one or you will be banned. With that being said, once you answer like a couple of dozen questions, you'll start getting clicks to your link, and since Quora is so popular, your answers will stay there forever. Now you won't need to do anything from there, and you'll be making money passively. With that said, the best traffic source out there that I would highly recommend is this one right here, called trafficbeast.net/exclusive. This is a 100% done for you affiliate system with free buyer traffic. Using this, you can get clicks and purchases in your link on complete autopilot, with literally no work from your side. This is definitely made for beginners. It is a brand new tool that I've never talked about before in my channel. Now this isn't free. I do want to mention that it costs just under $20, but as a plus, you do have a 180-day money-back guarantee, which is really nice because it means you can't lose anything, but just give this a try if you have money, of course. And that is it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.